Hey guys, welcome to Brianna Effect, and we're back again with another video. I have to keep looking off because I'm heading home from work. And well, it rained a lot today. It was like a mini thunderstorm. So I had to look at where I'm putting my foot. I can't just look at the car. But I'm rushing home because I had to meet mommy for us to go on a little drive to Grande. We had to get some stuff and then we're heading back home. So yeah. Well, I don't watch my head now. God, I know it ram full, but you know, when you spend money, you have to kill out a style. As much pictures as you could. Well, yes, don't worry. This weekend I'll take it out because, well, I will do a video of me styling my hair after taking it out of braids. Okay, so I'll meet you guys on a rich closer. Guys, so now I have to cross the bus route to get a taxi to go home. Woo. Hey, the light change. Hey. I'm luck. It's because I only. Like people might be saying I'm mad, walking my phone talking. If they only know. So I'm gonna catch a car now. So before nobody stops me with my craziness. Almost reach up. Anybody who's not about plenty will know where I live in. Because you surely might be past the yard and seeing me and my mother outside doing TikToks. And might be saying, them girls look real familiar, boy. But I really wanted to show all you something, right? Because of CPEP and because of the pandemic, this is the stupidness I have to walk in every evening. Look at my feet. So I have to walk through this just now. Oh, high the bush is. It's knee height. You see? So with my good work clothes, every single day I have to walk through this bush. So me and mommy decide one of these days, seeing all this at a Timawi and picker. One of these days we will come outside with a cutlass and cut it with damn self. Seeing as you know, CPAP come out and they cut the next side of the road where nobody crosses, but on this side, look at this. Look at this. My good work shoe has to be going through puddle of water. But it's all fine, you know. It's all cool. I wonder if mommy go here, man. Oh God. Coming in, boy. She's normally. I'm now telling them she's with me every single day. Oh God, look, keep on swallowing. Oh God, it's flooded. Oh God, it's flooded. Breathe. Oh God. Oh God, just mother. Breathe. Oh God. Well, let me show them what we had to go. So I just finished getting ready. But before we go, we have to run outside and do some TikToks fast. So I might let you guys see one or two, I don't know, in the background. Okay guys, so I freshened up, looked human, and then we came outside and we did some TikToks. So we looking to head out just now because it's getting dark and we have to go Grande, and once again we don't want to be scraping to come home at 9 o'clock. So yeah, really wants to like do a dance while, you know, you're watching, but it's so sappy in the yard right now. Whereas normally dance, it's like a puddle of water. So yeah, that makes sense. And plus, because of COVID, the waka man not working as frequently, so the yard bushy too. So bush everywhere. Yeah, mommy rushing, but she pack up she bag and thing, and she done come to start the car. So let me go inside and get my stuff, and I go meet you back. I love going in the bush and all, but this is what it gives. So I could drive comfortably. I don't know why. I like them earth people. I have to feel everything with my foot.
Well, I don't know if I have a mask.
This is the substation. I vexed with you. You could have told me I didn't have on my mask. You could have told me I'm well driving like it was long times. We're going on the highway. We're going on the
Mask whole day for at least 8 hours, but
well, my daughter now saying
nah, boy.
she's have to wear her
Me
mask.
now say a mask come like a bra, because of how I just can't take it. As soon as I reach home, I take off my mask, and after that, I just want to put on one again. But these people just be rushing. You can't stare at the camera because they're frightened. You don't know what I'm while they're watching them on the phone. Oh. Well, they must have self-esteem, huh? Trust me. You could be your own heavy load if you don't love yourself.
Yes,
Trust me.
that is
You
so
could bring
true.
down yourself in a lot of things negatively.
Come out.
So no matter what anybody thinks, no matter what flaws they have, it doesn't matter. You are beautiful, and somebody will find you're handsome or you're beautiful.
And every
Either
bread
way.
have its cheese.
Every bread have its cheese.
Yes.
So,
I just in her no cheese.
No matter if you have marks on your skin like myself, who suffer with eczema, and it's not like something you rub on the wall and hey, shit. No, it's something you were actually born with. Don't worry about it.
That's
It will
true.
go away. You wouldn't have it forever. Well, you wouldn't have the bad flare-ups forever, but you know, to hell with what other people think. I want a what?
A cigarette.
Yeah. You want me to take out one for you?
Yeah, thanks, please.
That's all right.
I can't drive an organizer.
You gotta rattle the box first.
Pong it, get the air or something. I see them old men ponging. Pat.
That's not right.
And some a little emotional thing I'm going through now. So.
Look at on there.
You have a cigarette? One outside it? You know the one you turn upside down for the ancestor, right?
No, that's not another one. I had to get out one myself.
I need that, boy.
That's not right.
You got a good long book.
One is nice.
Nice flavor. We call it candy red.
Well, no, they say that's not healthy. It tastes good, no?
Nah.
Nice one.
Hey, what you said there?
Finishing a little too fast, but yeah.
Yeah, cigarette. Finish fast. This time bigger ones.
Cool. I'm done already.
Oh!
We passing through.
1666.
Passing through Arima right now, yeah. Oh God! My mother is the best, no. She mouth is something else. She just had me dying.
Oh God.
Pull up my mask and civilization.
Oh, God.
And wind up my glass. See somebody grab my iPhone and all they go.
Well, I'll go finish the vlog now.
They go how to finish it and post it to an edit. They can't be on that.
Look how busy it is now. I had to get good thing to hold on.
Take an old chewing gum and just stick it on the back.
And because they do be seeing me keep falling on and now move my
Oh God!
and now move my sexy
My
thing.
child! I said that late. Look at them shift all kind of thing. Oh, they are sorry. Treating all the bad tonight. Treating all the bad.
So fix it.
I'm going to see him struggling here. Mwah! We catch all the bad. You know, is one thing I just have to fight to control myself with. Buying food, boy. Oh gosh. You pass and you smell something and it's like your brain don't remember you have responsibilities. All it's studying is a piece of wing or a doubles. Oh God. A doubles or something. Oh gosh, man. And a skinny, you know, you wouldn't think. You wouldn't think.
Hey.
Yeah, so we finally got through in the dark. Because we pull aside for a bit. But we're going on the road now.
Right. Swing out. Come on, seatbelt.
Well, you know, we well driving, chatting, enjoying the little frogs in the background, the crickets. Only to see a group of people. I'm gonna show you. Thinking that, the people Lyman. Only when we continue driving and we realize the river is crossing the road. So let me bring my little closer and show you. Look at the road now. Like, let me turn around and show you. Wow.
Look at it. It looks like if you was in the open and that's in the That's how it's flooded.
You seen that? It's only them big trucks could pass through. Like them Hilux and thing. Watch that now. We well seeing people Lyman. You see why I should stop and ask a question? Not all the time, because not everybody's friendly. But yes, see why I should stop and ask a question? What's the light pole? Only watch she can go through the water. Watch it. Let's see now. Better he than we. Not that what.
When? Dad, look at him, look at him. We can't do that, we have a wagon.
Better he than we.
Watch it, watch it. Oh my gosh, watch it, he's slowing down now to navigate.
Oh God.
He might have to come back.
Nah, he looking like he wants to reverse.
It's scary. No, man, he's going to.
You see, you had to know the road.
You have to know the road. You have to know the road.
Yeah, you had to know the road because you'll drive into that bridge. Get me into the bridge, into the river. Oh yeah, I feel he frightened.
He must be unsure. He unsure.
Beza Navarra.
I nearly go and see like a Cayman and some little piece of paper going on there.
You see, he could go, but if he know the road.
Yes, he know. Yeah. Yeah. Like he navigating the
Yeah.
Nah, he brave, he going.
Know the road by watch the grass and go by.
Yeah, just watch it.
You gotta watch the grass and go by.
It's true.
Yeah, the
But
grass.
that's still scary. Lord. That's
That
scary. I
must
wasn't
see.
going, I wasn't
I am all frightened.
He reached far, I wasn't. Very good. Look at that thing moving. Oh, everything
that?
looking odd.
Nah, like he coming back.
He coming back now. He ain't going through that.
He had the vehicle to go through.
I was gonna go through.
Yeah,
I was driving.
I have to load here. Let's start loading.
Yeah, he nearly halfway through. He gonna go.
Yeah, he could be making it. He don't want to go. He making it.
We could just turn back and head the next way. We didn't drive this way too long in the first place, so. Yeah, we could just turn back here, so yeah. Just like how the van turned back and reverse it. That's how we do the same. Mommy and she nice puma, so. See, we was thinking it was gonna be boring, but as we say, our life is full of excitement. I can't wait to eat you. I have half a roti in the fridge. And I still have something else. Well, we're on the home stretch. Oh God, it's Trinidad Road, sir. We're on the home stretch. Can't wait to reach inside. Both of us deciding what we gonna eat in the fridge. Hey, Mommy have sweet potato. Now, Mommy, you have sweet potato fries, and we have nuggets in the deep freeze.
Alright. And then I season up some chicken too.
So you gonna make fried chicken?
Alright.
Fried chicken! Chicken! Well, we reach home. Not opening the gate for Mommy. I'm feeling cold. Hell, tea-fed. We had to trim it. I now finished eating. My belly full. I wanted to close on the bed to full up. And I work tomorrow. So in a bit I'm going to edit this video when it's finished. And then go and sleep. Okay, so because I was now falling asleep and dribbling on myself, I decided, well, I'll close up the video here so I'll get a chance to edit before I have to get up for work. So, gonna eat some snacks to stay up. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yes. Bye-bye.